So for my personal knowledge management, I usually just use Obsidian. But every time I want to collaborate with someone else, we get pulled towards some more complicated cloud solution like Notion or whatever. But then you need a subscription and it gets complicated really quickly. Also, I feel more and more people that I work with don't really use Notion anymore. They just use Obsidian for themselves. So I found this really neat little trick that I wanted to show you today. So you can do the same thing. Just use Obsidian with your collaborators. So for that, maybe let's open a more vault. You just do that, give it like a name. I'm just going to call mine test vault. For the location, we can use iCloud Drive. And you can see before I had this shared vaults. Create a new folder, test vault. Okay, so now the test vault lives in here. I can create it. And I open it and you see this, boom. So now let's go back to the Finder. We have this test vault here. Super important thing to do, really, really important for this to work, is right click and keep downloaded. Like you should do this with all of the shared vaults that you use, and your collaborators should do this too. This way, this just works. I have been using this for many years for my personal vault, and I find out that you can also use this for a shared vault, because now when you have this test vault, you can just hit share, don't send it as a copy, share it as a link, allow people you choose to edit this, and then just like share it as a link, copy it, whatever, send it to them. And as soon as they accept it, they see this folder like I see, like just read this, and Obsidian Futureland folder. Here, they're shared with me, and I can show you this one that I just created today with Matthew. I can edit here, he can edit here, and everything will just appear. It's magical. It even works with like plugins. We can both just add the plugins we want, change the theme of this, and the other person will see it automatically. I think it's really cool. It's a super cheap solution. It costs nothing. Like if you already have iCloud Drive, why not use it for this? So yeah, I'm really like this solution. Has been working great for me and some friends that I have been using this with. Maybe this is useful for you. I definitely prefer this over something heavy like Notion or similar.